What you got there? Somebody back east is saying, why don't he write? You stupid bastard.
Welcome back. You probably are saying, where have you been? Well, I had some medical issues this September. So turns out probably a back injury I probably have. Not sure yet. We're still running some tests. Yeah, I attempted to have a really great week in September. We went to the Overland Expo in Jay, Oklahoma. We overlanded over there Thursday. Driving in the Ford pickup truck, and got landed. Friend lent us his cabin for the night, which was really awesome of him, on Grand Lake. So we did the first leg of the Oklahoma Adventure Trail, OAT, first and second, I think. Anyway, and then booked it straight to his cabin. Woke up in the morning on Friday, not feeling very well. Little pain in my back. I thought I dislocated a rib, honestly. So went through the day. As the day wore on, it just got progressively worse. It started referring into the front of my body. I was worried about that being a major organ doing something stupid. So I bailed out of the trip, came home, and spent 3 days laying on my back taking pain meds. Got in to see a doctor, blah, 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 tests. Okay, so that's where we're at. Still haven't figured it out, but there you have it. I'll have a little video here of the trip, what little driving I was able to film. The radio worked great, superb actually. Very happy with it. So if you're looking for a ICOM IC2730, they are great. Did great. Bought some stuff from, I think I already told you guys this, DX Engineering. They took good care of us, and that was basically it. Anyway, that's really all I have for this week. I hope to get back in the saddle and get back to work. Got to figure out what's going on with me first. I'm took a week off from work. I'm filming this during my vacation, so I've got a few chores around the house to take care of, and then hopefully I can get something done here on the truck and get started. I did order a bunch of wire, so the next thing we're going to be doing is moving some wire into the truck for our auxiliary systems in the back. Bought some 4 gauge to come from the battery to the middle, and I bought some 16 gauge to wire my external lampages. Still need to sort out what we're going to do about a dual battery and how we're going to get those magic things figured out. I did talk to the Red Arc guy at Overland Expo, and I haven't decided to pull the trigger on it yet, but one of those guys are going to win my business, so that I can be comfortable about how everything works. So basically, that's really all I got for this week. I know it's short. I'll stick some video in of us driving a little bit, and it's not exciting. If you skip it, my feelings won't be hurt. But that's all I got, really. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate your patience. I've got a couple of new subscribers this week and last week, so that was really cool, and I appreciate you guys coming on to check out my content. So again, thanks. We will get back at it as soon as we possibly can. Thanks a lot.